everyone, we are Team 10. From now on, we will announce our Team 10 project. First, in order to find the analytical elements teenage depression, we received raw materials by requesting data on disease control headquarters. Second, in order to select the class attributes and the find attributes related class, we used correlated classification analysis. Finally, we puzzle out the predictive result of the consistent model and class attributes from 2014's raw data through the SPSS. Moreover, we set the 2013's raw data to the test set for examining the predictive results. Many young people in modern society are suffer from depression, especially most Korean has a poor image of the depression, so they just with their symptom in many cases. Severe depression often leads to suicide. Despite the increase in youth depression, there are many cases leading to suicide because of lack of proper treatment. Through this, we felt the necessary of service for self-diagnosis and prevention of depression, and plan to suggest O2O service. The reason why it is more meaningful to find depression factors is that as a teenage depression is associated with factors that are difficult to predict. Teenage depression is called the mass depression because adult depression emerge in specific mental symptoms. But teenage depressions appear in several ways like antisocial action, sex, smoking, drinking. So it is difficult to diagnose teenage depression. Therefore, we analyze many factors about teenage depression. We also discovered that reasons of difficulty, the treatment of mental illness by finding out hidden patterns. Finally, we will suggest O2O service for treatment of mental illness. We asked the raw material for teenage health in the Centers for Disease Control. However, there are no attributes that are specified as depression in the received data, so we replaced hospital care after suicide attempts experience. Attributes to the class attributes which are directly connected to the depression. This is based on data taken from the paper. However, in the process of analyzing the data, we judged that analyzing all 264 attributes is not that meaningful. Therefore, by using the Pearson correlation analysis, we select attributes in order of the high association with class attributes. By using SPSS statistics program, we carried out the correlation for every attribute. And attributes whose absolute value is more than 0.1 were considered to be considered. It could be shown as a result of the 5 and 6 attributes. It was set up in line with our objective data attributes. The major attributes that are set in SPSS was changed into nominal or ordinal in order to suit our purpose. This is what we divided the attributes in the independent and dependent variables. This is decision tree. This is the predictive result of the consistent model and class attributes from 2014's raw data through the SPSS. And we set the 2013's raw data to the test set for examining the predictive results. This is pattern what we find. Following the decision tree, attributes affecting class attributes, which is experiencing hospital treatment after attempting suicide, hospital treatment during recent 12 months, or receiving treatment for assault during recent 12 months, sexual experience, the intake frequency of highly caffeinated drinks, stress level, and experiencing drugs in habitual or intentional rhythm. The main pattern to provide the class level yes is the following. First pattern is receiving treatment for assault past 12 months is more than 3 times. Second pattern is that receiving treatment for assault past 12 months is 1 or more times, and stress level is more than upper middle. Then the intake frequency of highly caffeinated drink is more than 3 times the last 7 days. This is contribution. We are looking at our project from 3 viewpoints. They are national, personal, society. This is our references. This is the test location, our team. This is the project plan, our team.